guys, welcome to OFRA's YouTube channel. My name is Valentine and I do all things makeup, beauty, and fashion. I am so excited to be here on OFRA's YouTube channel creating this Valentine's inspired look. I had so much fun creating it and also using some of the new products. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so here we have the two new palettes from OFRA. I'm going to show you guys the first one, which is called the Signature Palette Galaxy. This one has all of the purple tones in it. I love like the pastel and like the iridescent color. I kind of like how it's also like a gradient effect, so you create like a really dope like ombre look as well. And then the other one, which I'm actually going to be using today because I love more of like the warmer tones. Those of you that follow me, you guys know that. It is the Signature Palette Sweet Dreams. Oh, look at this. I already know what I'm gonna do. I have a look in mind, but I love the dark. I love how it's just like, again, like an ombre look to it. Shimmer, matte, like a satin, and also like a nice little like shimmery one that can also be used as like a highlighter if you wanted to do it for that reason as well. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna go in with the shade Trance. It's a nice peachy color. I'm gonna go ahead and use that all over my crease. I'm gonna set that as like a transition color. So now we're actually gonna start working our way down the palette. I'm gonna take the color Crush, which is more of a rosy pink color with a little bit of gold shimmer. It is matte enough that I can still apply it like onto my crease. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of like a dome-shaped blending brush, and I'm going to apply this also like in the eye socket, but a little bit more down than the first color. Now we're taking somewhat of a smaller like tapered brush, and we're gonna go in with the shade Dreamcatcher, which is like a beautiful plummy purple color, so Valentine's. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work this color like right in the outer corner of my eye, just to give like some depth. And again, I'm not going over the crease either, keeping it nice and low. I'm creating somewhat of like a nice like shape to it. The best way to do this is just little by little. I love what we have going on here. Now we're gonna be taking the buttery shade that I just can't wait. I'm actually gonna like dip my finger in it because these OFRA shadows are just that amazing. Honestly, I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm just gonna dab that right in the center. Another trick you guys can do is take like a little flat shader brush, spray it with some setting spray, your favorite, and then apply the shadow on as well. I'm gonna be using my OFRA Makeup Fixer, which is like one of my ride or die setting sprays. I love to dampen up my brush first, or vice versa, and then go in with the eyeshadow, which I didn't tell you guys the name. It's called Snooze. It also gives it more of like a metallic finish. Oh my god, I love doing this. So I'm gonna do one eye first, and you guys see like the difference. Look at that. It just like transforms the eyeshadow. Now go in with your favorite mascara. Make sure you get those lashes nice and dark to apply lashes afterwards. I also was keeping in mind creating a look that was so versatile, not only for lashes but also mascara. If you're more of a natural girl, this look will look so pretty with mascara, as you guys can see. We didn't overwhelm it with any like heavy colors or eyeliner, just letting the pink shadow show through with some nice mascara. So this could be also an option if you're more of that natural girl and you don't like wearing lashes. But for me, I am like, give me the full face, baby, give me the drama. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Okay guys, with the lashes, you know, sit nice and pretty with the lash glue, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the lower lash line before I wipe off everything. That's why I put loose powder on. It's such a great trick for catching eyeshadow, especially if you do it after your base. So going back to the eyeshadow palette, I'm actually gonna go in with Crush first, and I'm gonna work this color all the way through. You also want to make sure that you're applying the eyeshadow leveled with the same line that we created, so everything looks nice and symmetric. Now to darken up the outer corner, we're gonna go in with the Dreamcatcher color. This will be like one of my favorite ones in the palette. And we're only gonna focus this right in the outer corner. Now taking a little buffer brush, we're going to wipe off all the fallout of under eyes. Look how nice and clean everything looks, guys. That is the best trick ever. To finish off the eye, sticking again some mascara, coating my bottom lashes very nicely. Now applying some lashes. Y'all, this will literally transform the look for like a more going out, I'm ready to play, I'm ready to slay kind of look. So now we're gonna wait till the lash glue dries, and we might run it with some eyeliner Let's go ahead and work on the face. We're almost done, guys. I love this look so much. Taking this palette from OFRA, it is the On The Glow palette. Let me just show you how beautiful this looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just died. I'm gonna go in with Americano bronzer, which is literally one of my favorite ones ever. I'm just gonna take a face brush just warm up my face, starting in the outer corner and slowly bringing it forward. I also love how it's like more like on the neutral side. It's not too cool tone or warm tone. It's just like the perfect bronzer. For blush, I'm taking the My Tai. It's just one of my favorite ones from OFRA, because I do love me like a peachy blush situation. Before applying my highlighter, I always have to go in with my setting spray just to like blend all the powders together. Ooh, yes. For highlighter, guys, have to go in with Rodeo Drive. It is like the iconic highlighter from OFRA. It is just amazing. Also my favorite one. I'm gonna show you guys. Like that is literally me like barely applying pressure on the brush. Like that's all I need. I'm not doing no more. So for the inner corner in the brow bone, we're gonna be using the last shade of the palette called Pillow Talk. So pretty, the shimmery pink color. I'm gonna use it for the inner corner of the eye, kind of like a marry all those shades together. And also here on the brow bone for a little bit of pop. Going in with the OFRA Verified eyeliner, I'm gonna shake it real quick. And then I'm just gonna cover it lightly, the eyelash band, just to make sure we don't have any glue sticking out. Now, last but not least, the lips. I'm taking my favorite wipes from OFRA, the Cleanse It Off wipes. I always tell them like, I need you to keep me sucked up. These wipes are amazing. Guys, I am feeling like a red lip. Like, I don't know why. But I mean, Valentine's, of course. I am feeling a red lip today just to tie in with like the whole like pinky vibes. I have some red in my dress. Really nice and Valentine's. I'm gonna go in with the shade Brickell. Because, yes. I'm gonna go with the OFRA lip liner in the shade Maya. It is a nice, beautiful red. Oof, I haven't done a red lip in so long. So excited to do this. We're going to clean up a little bit after with some concealer, but just wanted to get the base down. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Brickell. It is like one of my favorite reds from OFRA. Okay guys, last but not least, they also launched some new lip glosses. I'm taking the Myth one. And I just want to add a little bit of pop in it, like not too much, but something to make it a little glossy and not like so matte. Oh, I love this. It's gonna be like that like translucent holographic feel to it. That's pretty. Oh my god, I love that. It's like it gives like a little bit of holographic feel, but even though the lip is red, it still ties in with the pink eyeshadow. Oh, okay, OFRA, I see you. I see you, boo. Well guys, that concludes today's video. I hope that you guys loved it. I hope that you found the tutorial really easy to follow along. As always, lip products will be listed down below along with the links. You can also use my code VALE, V-A-L-E, at checkout to save some money while you shop for these awesome new products. I will have a link down below as well. You guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I cannot wait to come back and create more looks for you guys. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Muchos besitos y abrazos. Bye guys.